An underground explosion can stem from several potential causes. Firstly, a gas leak could lead to a flammable atmosphere, resulting in an explosion. Secondly, an electrical fault within underground cables or equipment might produce a spark that ignites flammable vapors or debris. Thirdly, an underground fire, perhaps a tunnel or cable fault, could cause a buildup of heat and pressure, triggering an explosion. Fourthly, a construction accident during maintenance or new installations could inadvertently cause a spark or ignite flammable materials. Beyond immediate causes, several contributing factors often play a role. Aging infrastructure, especially in utility systems, increases the risk of leaks and electrical faults due to material degradation over time. Inadequate maintenance, specifically the lack of regular inspections and preventative repairs, allows minor issues to escalate into major failures. Human error during construction, maintenance, or operational procedures can also introduce vulnerabilities that lead to explosions. Considering these possibilities, several actions are crucial after such an incident. A thorough investigation is essential to pinpoint the exact cause of the explosion and identify any contributing factors that need to be addressed. Utility companies and regulatory agencies should conduct a comprehensive safety review of existing protocols to identify areas for improvement and implement necessary enhancements. Furthermore, infrastructure upgrades are often necessary, replacing aging or inadequate components to enhance reliability and mitigate future risks. Open public communication is also vital, with the utility company and relevant authorities providing timely and transparent updates to the community regarding the investigation findings and any safety concerns. This approach promotes trust and ensures that the public is well informed about the measures being taken to prevent similar incidents.